is 345. This is a 5.7. It sounds cammed. That's a 2021. Shit sounds good. I wish they had some shit like this for the fucking 6s. Cause all I can find on there is fucking aftermarket, but they're OEM spec.
You talking about the cams?
Yeah.
I can find
show y'all this. So he had this and got rid of that for something totally different. New cams.
Cam springs, lifters, chain link assemblies, gear shafts. Fucking and then in the bottom, if you get down low enough, look at that rear diff in the back.
Oh shit, I hold on. New rear diff.
309 limited slip diff.
Oh, you're putting money into this.
Oh yeah. I got about 15 grand right now.
Jesus Christ.
Performance makes the difference.
Bro, I am well aware.
I went from a 200 millimeter drive shaft to a
so ceramic gray. Let's see what's going on right there. If y'all know, y'all know. Pedals, steering wheel, but the interior, man, cream with the black all around. That shit looks so damn good as a combination. All right. Fell. Look at that other one though. Yeah. That's a V6 too. Let's see how this built V8. Oh shit. Okay. Let me hold my phone with 2 hands. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Dude.
This is gonna be fucking hilarious.
Oh man.
Oh, this is gonna be funny.
Dude, this car got everything done to it, y'all. Everything. Can't tell you everything though, because some of that shit is a secret, but oh man. Goodness gracious. Sounds so fucking good. Hey man, I gotta get one of those. I gotta get one. Man.
I'll do a 40 roll.
Don't sleep on the 300s. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, residential neighborhoods. Go ahead. I love coming through these.
This is on a slab.
He's not a car guy. He wasn't even looking. That's in regular drive. No.
Back in sport now.
Okay.
This is regular. You can hear it drop.
And it doesn't, the idle doesn't stay as hot when you're not in sport.
Nope.
Oh, there's a big difference. There's a big ass difference.
Listen.
Oh man. Yeah, that's
I got it to work and drop it down with my foot on the gas.
that shit is crazy. I'm gonna lose my phone. That's crazy.
Now watch. Let it drop. It's in third gear right now. I'll let it drop all the way down.
Hey, and this ain't me jerking the phone, y'all. I promise you this ain't that. Holy fuck. That's fucking crazy. Oh, he's running drag setup.